Hi, welcome to my 15 minutes Pilates session. I hope you enjoy it. Okay. Standing tall, feet parallel, ankle, knees and hips in line. Engage the core, so lower abs, hips, glutes, pelvic floor. Pull that all up as tight as you can. Release it a little bit so you can still breathe, then relax the shoulders and relax the knees. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. We're going to look to the left, center and right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right. Come back to center, look up to the ceiling, down through the center, chin to chest, look up to the ceiling, down through the center, chin to chest, look up to the ceiling, down through the center, chin to chest. Bring the head back to neutral, arms come out wide, relax the shoulders down away from the ears, and we're going to pulse. Really reaching through the fingertips, soft knees. And palms forward. Palms back. And last one, palms up. Arms come down, shoulder roll. And another one. We're going to go for a side bend, push the hip out to the side, really reach through the fingertips, bring it up through the center and take it the other way. Last one each side. Come back up to tall through the body. Keep the pelvis facing forward by squeezing the glutes, soft knees, arms come back out to the side. Or if you haven't got room, they can come to the shoulders. And then we're going to rotate and look down the back arm. Bring it back to center and take it the other way. Okay, this time release the glutes and allow fuller rotation of the pelvis. Last one, bring the arms down, shoulder roll. Then standing on the left leg, we're going to take the knee out to the side and open out the hip. Hold on to something if you need to. Last one. Change sides. Last one. Come back onto the left leg. We're going to do rotation, wrist and ankle. Change direction. And flexion, point and flex. Change sides. Standing tall, rotation. Change direction. And flexion, point and flex. Bring the feet down. So feet parallel, ankle, knees and hips in line, core engaged. We're going to come up onto the toes. Lifting up through the fingertips till you feel the rib cage lift. Relaxing the shoulders down away from the ears. Then as slow as you can, come back down through the body. Lift the toes. Push the hands back. Go again. And lift. Keep breathing. Last one. Relax the upper body. We're now going to do the toe workout. I'll just move the camera. So standing tall through the body, feet parallel, hip distance apart. Lift the shoulders back, so make sure the central balance is right through the center of the body, head and neck in neutral. We're going to come onto the left leg and we're just going to take the right leg out to the side, pause and bring it back. It doesn't have to go out too far. We're working less on the hip today and more on the knee. So a small movement, just take it out to the side, bring it back. Out to the side, bring it back. And one more. Okay, change sides, standing tall. So make sure it's the outside edge of the foot that's taking the leg, that's leading the leg out. Okay, last one. Okay, standing tall through the body. You're going to bend the left leg and put the right leg straight, flex the foot. Change. Change. So drop the weight down, keep the chest forward facing, don't look down at the feet. So make sure you should feel this in the calf and the ankle of the leg we're putting forward. Keep going. Last one. Come back up to standing. Right, slight squat. And we're just going to do crab walks to the side. And then the other way. Couple more goes. Okay, bring it back to center. Give the legs a bit of a shake. Okay, we're going to stretch the hip flexor and then we're going to come down onto the mat. So we're just going to take the leg back, sink the weight through the center, make sure that front knee doesn't go over the ankle. Just feel the stretch through the hip flexor and just reach and stretch the arms back. You should feel the stretch increase through the front of the hip. Pause and hold it there. Bring the arms back down, change leg. Sweep the arms up. Keep the weight through the center, shoulders down and relaxed. Sweep the arms down. Now we're going to come standing on the left leg. We're going to bring the right knee up in front. Arms can be wherever you choose. And we're just going to straighten the leg and bend the leg. Straighten the leg and bend the leg. Keep the shoulders relaxed down away from the ears. Keep breathing. Last one. Change sides. Tall through the body, core engaged, shoulders relaxed, that knee nice and high. Straighten and bend. 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 Last one. Straighten and bend. Bring the feet back down. Right, before we do our 20-second balances, I just want you to have a go at a couple of things. So we're going to pretend we're walking a tightrope. So you're going to walk forwards about 8 steps, one foot in front of the other. So really make sure the heel and toes are touching. We're going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, see if you can go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do it. 7, 8. All right, you did it. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it up on our toes. So you're going to lift up and imagine you're on that tightrope again. We're going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See if we can do that backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brilliant. Yeah, well done. Right. I hope you had fun. Join me again next time.